Lots of our brothers and sisters have lost their life, and thousands are still not found. So I request everybody to stand for a minute and pray for those who have lost their life in the battle. have done a good job, but do not forget the man who actually does a very good job consistently since past so many years. And should be that Excellency said, Sri Narendra Modi. One name, Operation Loves, one name, India Loves. But now the talk of the nation at lead is Delhi to Delhi, Narendra Modi actually in Delhi. Narendra Modi is known for understanding the problems in this country basically. He emphasized on the power of youth, and why not? 66% of the crowd of this nation is below the age of 35, and I'm glad I belong to that age. Okay. So the 66% of the crowd needs to be basically created awareness about. They should understand what it is not enough that you have the crowd, but you need to know what needs to be done. Do the donors. So creating awareness is one very, very important aspect. And one such student organization, non-political organization that has been doing this, creating awareness among the youth, is Arise India Movement. I'm very, very glad to tell you all that we have the founder member of this Arise India Movement, L.S. Tejasvi Surya, with us today as the chief guest. Request Mr. Manlo to escort onto the stage, please. So, more about L.S. Tejasvi Surya. He basically has started this Arise India Movement, and also he has been awarded National Balashri Award by the President of India in 2001. What can get better than this? So, he should have actually been on the stage by now. He actually wants P.P. Hegde, the second chief guest, to be on the stage prior to that. So when I think about I was going through the internet last evening to know more about P.P. Hegde, and I came across some very, very interesting facts. If you remember, one gentleman in India told that dream is not something that you see after you sleep. Dream is something that does not let you sleep. And this is ex-president and renowned scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You all know that he is the ex-president. We all know that he is a renowned scientist. But what majority of us do not know, that he is the power behind an organization that is busy and involved in creating awareness among the youth for nation. We are very excited to tell you all that the National President of Youth for Nation, Mr. P.P. Hegde, who is a very renowned lawyer from Mangalore to Maharashtra. I request Mr. Nitin K. Bandari to escort Mr. P.P. Hegde onto the stage, please. And also Mr. Tejasvi L. Surya by Chetan Mangalore. Thank you. Welcome to the event, sir. Your presence here is a definite motivation for all of us. While we have two young, energetic lawyers and who have been creating awareness and working towards youth empowerment on the stage right now, we have somebody who thought major part of this nation has drinking water problem. And somebody thought, okay, we'll have to take some steps, take some measures and do something good with this. So she basically got her involved in something called Jala Sangama, and also very active with organic farming. Gave some very brilliant ideas like creating an independent authority to clear the urban menace. Being a Bangalorean, we all know what it actually means. And then yes, solid waste and clearing water bodies for clean water. Without a lady without whose support this Namo Brigade is definitely incomplete. I request Vinod Koppat to escort Shakuntala Iyer onto the stage, please. Thank you, ma'am. Well, now I request Kumari Sushmita, who would be carrying on with the anchoring in Kannada. Thank you.
ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಿಸ್ತಾ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. P.P. ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿ ಅವರು ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವಿನಾಶ್ ಭಟ್ ಅವರು ಗೀತೆಯನ್ನು ಹಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವಿನಾಶ್ ಭಟ್ ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ಗೀತೆಯನ್ನು ಹಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता ध्रुवदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। कोटि कोटि कंठ कल कल निनाद करारे कोटि कोटि भुजै धृत कर करवाले अबला के नमायत बल बहुबलधारिणी नमामि तारिणी त्रिपुरवारिणी मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। तुमि विद्या तुमि धर्म तुमि हृदि तुमि मर्मा त्वं हि प्राणा शरीरे बाहुते तुमि मा शक्ति हृदये तुमि मा भक्ति तो मारै प्रतिमा गणि मंदिरे मंदिरे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। त्वं हि दुर्गा दश प्रहरण विहारिणी वाणी विद्यादायिनी नमामि त्वां नमामि कमलाम् अमलाम् अतुलां सुजलां सुफलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। श्यामलां सरलां सुस्मितां भूषितां धरणीं भरणीं मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं। भारत माता की जय।
ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಈಗ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಅವರು ನಮೋ ಬ್ರಿಗೇಡ್ ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Ramakrishna Kund.
One of the volunteers for Namo Brigade. So let me quickly go through what is Namo Brigade. Namo Brigade ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ವಿ, ಇದರ ಮೂಲ ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳೇನು, ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತವಾಗಿ we have a small glimpse of it, how India was when Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee's government was in center. What is the situation currently under the UPA government? So all the parameters what we have shown when Atal Bihari Vajpayee's government was there, they are all at a pathetically low state now. So this motivated us, a group of young volunteers who see Shri Narendra Modi as the only hope who can bring India above this current crisis. So let me go through what are the primary goals of Namo Brigade, which is a voluntary group we have come up with. So the basic goal of Namo Brigade is simple. We want to concentrate on couple of segment of voters. I wouldn't call them voters, maybe many of them include non-voters also, because many of us young people think that all politicians are bad. Politics is only for maybe rich people or sons and daughters of already politicians. Many of our youngsters think so, but we keep on blaming the politicians. Who is there to help us? We have to change on our own. We have to change this political system. So that is why we young people should actively take part in changing India. So the basic or primary goal of Namo Brigade is, first, there are so many undecided voters who don't know whom they are going to vote for. So Namo Brigade is going to concentrate on those voters and create an awareness among them why they should vote for Narendra Modi, why Narendra Modi should become Prime Minister. So Narendra Modi Brigade, or shortly we call it as Namo Brigade, is going to take that message towards those kind of voters who are basically undecided. That is one segment of voters. And second segment of voters, we have a vast majority of voters. Basically they are not voters at all. They have an voter ID card, just they use it as an address proof, that's all. So we want to talk to those kind of voters and make them aware why Narendra Modi should become a Prime Minister of India. And there are certain segment of voters, they basically see Narendra Modi as only hope, but they may not be liking the party which he represents, that is BJP. This segment of voters include other traditional party voters of other parties also, but they see Narendra Modi as their only hope who can take out India from this current crisis. So we want to concentrate on these three kind of people and take Narendra Modi's message to them and create awareness among them and make sure that on the day of voting they vote for Narendra Modi. That means vote for his party. Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಬಹಳ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಈಗ ಮುಂದಿನ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಕಂಪೇನ್ ಫಾರ್ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ, ಇದನ್ನು PP ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವರು ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಲಾಂಚನ್ನು PP ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಕಂಪೇನ್ ಫಾರ್ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿಯನ್ನು ತೇಜಸ್ವಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಕೈ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ.
This call is done.